Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious frozen smoothie bowl that topped with crunchy dark chocolate shell. It's a perfect snack or a very good healthy dessert. For this, you will need 1 cup of frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen dark cherries, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, juice of a half a lime, splash of coconut milk. You can also add less or more coconut milk depending on how thick you want your smoothie to be. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Once done, pour the smoothie mixture onto the bowl. Now it's time for the chocolate shell. In a microwave safe bowl, add 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Microwave for 30 seconds and stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Pour the dark chocolate over the smoothie bowl and add some blueberries on top for the extra pop of flavor and texture. And that's it, you're done. You now have a delicious and healthy frozen smoothie bowl topped with crunchy dark chocolate shell. It's the perfect way to start your day or satisfy your sweet tooth. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this one.